about Vishnu's commentary. Because in line 4 of this verse, Tasta vicheshta jagrihustaratmika, Vishnu explains that the phrase tad atmika, this is a very important phrase and term in relation to sadhakas, not sadhakas that are practicing Vaidhi sadhana, but sadhanas who are practicing Raganuga Bhakti. The concept, the principle, and the practice of becoming tadatmika bhav, or bhav tadatmika. Atma means myself, my mind and heart. Tad means that, and bhav means my heart, my mind, and my very being is one with the bhav of you, one with the feelings and heart of you. So for the Raganuga Bhakta, who is pursuing and practicing, culturing Manjari Bhav, Gopi Bhav, Manjari Bhav Upasana, this is an essential practice of his sadhana, or her sadhana, where they try to become Bhav Tadatmya with Srimati Radharani's heart. When Radharani's happy, the Manjaris are happy. When Radharani's sad, the Manjaris are sad. So it's a self-identification, fully identify oneself and merge one's identity in Radharani. So this Vishwanath, he explains, I want to comment, he says that Tadatmika, being fully absorbed in Krishna, really means the stage of Unmad. So the gopis are in this Unmad, this Unmadani, their high state of madness. This represents the gopis.